Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a fish XP farm in Minecraft. First, gather your basic materials, including wood, iron, and some redstone. Begin by digging a 3x3 hole, 2 blocks deep, which will serve as the foundation for your farm's collection system and water source. Next, place a double chest at the bottom, then connect a hopper to it, ensuring all your valuable fish and items are collected efficiently. This simple start sets up your farm's core. Now, let's build the collection system. Create a water source directly above your hopper to ensure all caught items flow smoothly into your chest. Strategically place signs around the water to control its flow, preventing any spillage and keeping everything contained. Finally, position a fence gate 1 block above the hopper. This gate is crucial. It's where you'll aim your fishing rod to catch fish and gain experience. For optimal performance, ensure your water block flows directly into the hopper, guiding all items precisely. You'll want to stand on a block adjacent to the fence gate, positioning yourself perfectly for fishing. Cast your fishing rod directly at the fence gate. This specific setup allows the game's mechanics to register your catches automatically, granting you experience points and valuable loot without constant manual effort. It's a truly efficient way to level up. To automate your farm, simply hold down your right mouse button, perhaps with a weight, and your character will continuously fish. This method allows you to gain significant experience points and acquire a variety of enchanted items, including bows and fishing rods, without active participation. It's perfect for AFK leveling. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your gaming setup. Enjoy your new, efficient XP farm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.